I bet you didn't know that Pope Francis's latest statement could shake up religious debates worldwide. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Recently in Singapore, Pope Francis suggested that all religions are paths to God. This has sparked both agreement and controversy within religious communities. Let's explore why. On one side, many see the Pope's call for interreligious dialogue as a step towards unity and mutual respect. The Second Vatican Council already recognized truth and holiness in other faiths, resonating with biblical passages like Romans February 14, 15 and 1 Timothy 2:4. It's about shared values, peace, and understanding. However, critics argue that this statement dilutes the unique role of Christ. John 14:6 and Acts 4:12 emphasize Jesus as the sole path to God. For many Christians, these verses are non-negotiable, making the Pope's comments seem contradictory to core gospel teachings. So, is Pope Francis promoting unity or sparking controversy? It depends on your perspective. What do you think? Share your thoughts below.